Welcome to the Chic Show, where you will find DIYs and home decor on trend, on demand, and on a budget. Project number 1 is a sweater pillow. I started with an orange cardigan that I thrifted. I removed the sleeves and was left with the back of the sweater. I placed a thrifted pillow in the center of the sweater to see how it would fit. This sweater had the perfect trim work to make the front of the pillow decorative. I removed the pillow and turned the sweater over so that I could pin it for sewing. Once I had pinned it, I took it to my sewing machine. You could use hot glue for this as well. I'm forming the sweater to make an envelope opening. This will provide ease in adding or removing the pillow form. And here it is. I love how it came out. I was able to make 1 pillow, 5 pumpkins, and 2 candle cozies with this one sweater. So never underestimate the power of a sweater, especially a thrifted sweater. Today is 4th Friday Thrift Flips, hosted by Lisa from Our Gray House, Emily from Farm Charm Chic, and Sarah from Jujubee DIY. Their channels are listed in the description box, as well as the playlist, so be sure and check it out. Project number 2 is 3 Thanksgiving blocks. These are from a bag of children's blocks that I thrifted from Savers. I'm painting the blocks in Waverly Moss and Hazelnut, and Folk Art Terracotta. Waverly Mineral will be my stencil paint. I readily admit I am thankful, grateful, and blessed, but I wanted different words to use for this project, so I chose grace, bounty, and abundance. I had some trouble weeding the vinyl because it pulled the paint off the blocks. I repainted and sealed them with a clear coat, but that didn't seem to help much. I ended up just touching up the paint and pressing onward. I guess I should say I did not use stencil vinyl, so that's probably the issue. Once I touched up the paint and that had dried, they still seemed a little bit unfinished. So I used some dark wax to add some interest, and I added some leaf stickers. Project number 3 is a thrifted Swiss Miss tin. I gave the tin and the lid 2 coats of Waverly Moss. This is my favorite shade of green. These napkins are from Hobby Lobby. I separated the 2 plies and cut out 2 of the quadrants. Using water, I dampened around the edge of the pumpkins and gently tore away the paper. I applied Mod Podge to the lid and added the pumpkins. Again, I applied Mod Podge to the front of the tin and applied the second part of the napkin, extending it around the sides. Unfortunately, the words did not fit on the front, but I left it anyway. Once the Mod Podge was dry, I sanded around the top and the bottom to remove the excess napkin. And here's a look at how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching today, and be sure and check out Lisa, Emily, and Sarah's channels and the playlist with all the talented creators. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.